Okay, guys, today we're surviving as Zoltrak. It's a Firebird in COS with my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we're gonna be starting off as babies. We're gonna be starting off as babies, and then we're gonna go to adult, well, elder. But if we die in the challenge, the video ends. Okay? 3, 2.
There's a creature right now. There's.
Start. Run. Run. Fly away. Gotta find something. You wanna go by him?
No. Anyways,
I'm gonna
calm.
die.
That's pretty calm.
I bet. I'm not doing that. Okay, I'm gonna go find some food. No, what are you doing, please? No, don't die. Find some food. We gotta get a kill. We gotta kill, okay?
Hey, but I got that NPC.
Yeah, but that was an NPC. We need to try to get satiated. Come on.
I still killed it.
Oh. Go.
No, I want it to be blue.
Okay.
I want it to change my colors and be blue.
No,
Why?
because I don't want to. Come on. Look, I see a creature on the map. Right here.
I see
Oh, it's the snake thing. We gotta go kill it because snake things
Is it
are
baby?
weak. Yeah, it probably is a baby because snake things are weak right there. We gotta try to kill it, okay?
Is it a baby? I see.
Hi, we're nice. Yeah. Yeah, we're nice. Yeah. We're super nice. Super duper nice.
Oh, he's attacking us.
He barely does. Is he a tier 5? No, he's a tier 5. We're the tier 4 attacking him. Okay. You take turns. We take turns. I rest for now.
I'm still attacking this one.
Okay, now you go rest. Go rest.
I'm resting.
No, fly away.
Oh. My rest is full. And he's running away.
I know, but we can fly.
Oh, yeah. Hey, that snake creature not spawned. Why is it red?
You're doing 16 damage, and it hurts.
Sorry. 600?
We have so much passive. Stop attacking. We won.
I did the most damage.
No, I got the kill.
Oh, I did the most damage. I can't take off.
Ow. Oh my god.
That was good.
Alright, we got everything, okay?
Oh,
Now we just gotta
carry this.
I don't think we can carry that.
Okay, I got a chunk. You get
Okay.
a chunk.
Checking if I was recording. Wait, let me take a screenshot. Stand still! Okay, and the title. Stop moving! No, that was bad. Follow me, right here. Right here! Okay. Stop moving! Stop! Oh my god, just stay still. Just stay still. Okay, there you go. There you go, that one's good.
Oh, he was strong right. I didn't even.
So, I grew to a teen, and, because I just did, and I found this guy. Should I buy him?
No. What happens if he does?
No, don't buy him. Let's find some more stuff to kill. Fly away!
I can't. I need a rest.
I see a gold shroom.
I need to take my stick. Okay.
'Cause. Okay. This guy is so cool.
Oh, we do a wing shredder. Okay, I need to take my stick. Okay.
This guy is so cool.
Oh, we do a wing shredder. Okay.
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 We're a bird that deal. No, we don't.
Look, see? Oh, it's gone.
Wait, I see something, but it's not there.
Tornado.
2 tornadoes.
Yeah? Oh no.
Oh, we're fighting a lot of creatures. Oh my god, we're fighting a lot of creatures. No, we better not die. I swear if we die. If we die.
Is that a circle?
It's a baby soccer, yeah. I think there's some sort of pack. That Mealy is the one that's scaring me, bro. It can take down a Nova. So we're just gonna stay there and stare. The dude did 400 damage. The dude did 400 damage to me. Oh my god. Hey, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. There's something attacking me. Help. 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 I know. It's something attacking. Ow. What is going on?
It's a meteor.
Yeah, I know it's a meteor. I'm not getting any HP. Ow. I hate this thing. So, as you can tell, this is the Valentine's Day.
I killed a creature. I don't know what I did.
This is a Valentine's event going on right now. Wait, 1 second. I gotta. There we go. Run, run. What if I go in circles? Yeah, I don't think you can get me. How about we just fly around? Let's go. I really hate this.
Oh, hey, I killed something.
It's done, finally.
I killed something.
Oh, nice. So I grew to an adult.
And
My
I
brother's
did not.
My brother's still
18.
a teenager. And for the rest of this video, we're probably going to be killing stuff. Whoa, there's something out there.
Do you need meat?
Until we get to Elder.
Do you need meat?
No, actually, yeah, I do.
Okay, come to me. I have meat.
No, there was a golden one. It's not good. I'm going to get the heavenly golden heart.
Hey, what
I
else
have
is
no stam.
I-
No, don't get that. Don't get that. I want it.
Okay, get it. I don't know what that is. Wait. Oops, sorry.
You got it?
After I did it, I don't know where it is.
Oh my god.
I didn't. Sorry.
No, I don't. No, I have no stamina. That's why.
There might be 0.
You've got to be joking.
I mean, there might be more spawning in. I age.
Oh, he aged up. Now we could just kill stuff.
I need water.
I want that heart.
Oh wait, yeah, I got a red tray.
Oh, he got a red tray.
Hey, can you come
He
here?
got a. Which tree did you get?
red tray.
A damaged one. That's lucky.
Hey, yeah. Come
Just gave me
eat.
heart speed, bro. Really?
Come eat this.
Here.
If we find another Zul'Shurok, we're inviting him.
Or killing it.
No. We're inviting him.
No, we're killing it.
We're literally vultures.
Let's go.
Hey, I just want to do a little.
Let's kill people.
I just need water.
Water?
Yes, I need water.
Water's right there somewhere.
Just need water.
This thing has no stamina.
This thing goes down this stamina fast. Water. Sniff. Water. And
You gotta be joking. Come in, help.
uh-oh. Oh yeah, try to Try to go on the land.
That's what I'm trying. Okay, I'm safe.
just drinking water, please. Hey, get that cookie thing.
Okay, after we drink water, we're gonna go on a killing spree.
Okay, but there's a cookie hut. Go get the cookie hut.
What?
The cookie hut.
Where?
Look, right here. It gives you these, the flower thingies.
There is nothing here.
No, right here. Don't you see it? Huh?
No.
No, look. Okay, move.
What?
Right here.
There is nothing on my screen. What is this dude talking about? Alright, come on, let's go.
Wait.
Let me drink water first.
Yay, 10 roses. I don't need it.
Ow.
Are you
I'm an elder.
adult? Oh, okay, you're I'm not.
Well, my brother has to get to elder, and then we can end the video.
I'm almost older. No? You don't have to end the video.
Well, if we want to, we can end it.
Yeah, but I don't want to.
Okay. Ooh, cookie heart thing.
Cookie again?
I'm really good at these.
SBC.
Oh, isn't it like the winter 2024 one? It's the winter 2024 update
Yeah, but
where
you
the
get
snowman's.
roses.
Yeah. We had to do the same
Fake
thing with the
rose.
snowman.
I mean
Look, I see
SBC.
something.
I'm gonna get the cookie.
I see something.
Here.
500 damage.
I sniffed 2 things. You. I don't know if that's a good thing. You do it
No, I don't know where it is. It's right there.
right there.
Okay,
I'm not standing.
got it. Why am I taking so much damage?
Cause you bit me.
Mm-mm.
Yes, you did. Okay, so now we meet.
Okay, we have to.
I'm an elder.
Oh, you're an elder?
I picked powerful elder.
Let's just kill some stuff.
I didn't
So, I see a healing warden. Should I attack it? I think I should.
Sherry, use your yoke.
JFK. Get him! Really, bro? That did nothing.
I don't see it.
Stop biting me!
I'm sorry. I really don't see it.
Yoke ball.
Yoke bomb. Oh, I see it.
Shock.
Ah!
Get that shock off me and then chase him. Chase him.
Uh-oh.
Where did he go?
He's inside that hole.
He didn't go in that hole.
He
He grew.
He grew?
I think he should be dead.
Oh.
Oh,
He grew again? Oh,
he did 500 damage to me.
Whoa!
Think go bite him.
I killed him.
We got him. We got him. We got him. All right.
Ow.
Best
You
kill.
used breath on me. Mission completed.
I saw a candle.
Hey, creature!
Where?
Little one.
Let's leave him alone.
Yeah. Let's make friends.
Murder him.
Murder.
No, I'm just kidding.
I was gonna use you.
I thought he said something. Look, I see a bird over there. Flying creature. Let's go.
I see a little one.
Is it Aries? Aries? Whatever.
Yeah, I see it. Whoa. Wait, I have grabs?
What, grab?
You said I had grab.
I don't see grab.
Me. It just said I had grab, but then it didn't disappear.
I see your Kindle.
Kindle? Say baby?
No, it might be teen. I don't care. This might be our death.
I
Boy.
need... Huh?
We need to kill him.
What, a Boreal? Is it a Boreal?
No, it's a Kendall.
I really can't fly.
Let's spam him.
Oh, my breath can go really far.
I think you do more damage than me.
He's running. Yeah, because I have a red tank still.
You did the powerful one, and you got the dread trait. Go chase him. Go chase him. I have to get energy.
Huh? He's underwater somewhere. Wait, can Kindle's grab?
Yes.
Huh? Where did he go? I can't swim, but I can't see him.
Even though this guy's a land sea sky special, he can't swim. Wait, it says there's Elysius here. But there isn't. Nope.
The candle just went away.
I'm so good.
I got the cookie.
Okay guys, that's gonna be the end of this video because I'm bored and I want to play something else. Bye bye.